Hey rollers, welcome to How Ines Rolls. How about another mukbang? We're going on vacation tomorrow, so I don't want to make dinner. Let's go pick something up. Paul just texted me and he said his vacation starts right now. So it seemed perfect to go ahead and pick up a dinner. So we're just waiting on him before we go and pick up some JOLLIBEES. You heard me. I've only tasted a little bit, but we're gonna go check them out and pick some, hopefully, delicious, scrumptious choices that we can't wait to share with you. So let's go. All right, we're gonna go and order. We got JOLLIBEE, and not just a little, we got a lot. So why don't we tell everybody what we got first?
Do you want me to start?
Yeah, go ahead.
Okay. I got the, what's it, Super Aloha?
Amazing Aloha.
Amazing Aloha.
So they both got that.
Yeah, it's a burger that's got a pineapple ring on it and bacon and cheese.
Double patties.
Double patties.
And lettuce if you want.
Lettuce, and then it comes with like a
honey mustard.
honey mustard.
And then French fries.
French fries. And Jonas got the same thing. And then Ezra?
I got the chicken strips.
Chicken strips, and then it comes with
Fries.
And then what do you have here?
I got the pineapple drink and it's bomb delicious.
Can I have a sip?
Mm-mm.
I'm gonna taste yours then.
It's so bomb.
Oh yeah, that is so good. Oh man, so good. And then we also got just a side of their spaghetti. Now their spaghetti is well renowned. It's known all over the world. It's kind of like, it's got like a sweet to it. I don't know if they put like a sugar, but I think I'm gonna start with that first for a bite. And then there's like some sausages or, I don't wanna say hot dogs, because I don't think it is it? That's funny. That's good. We needed some napkins.
This is bomb.
And then I got just the 2-item combo. Comes with 2 sides and the 2 fried chickens, but definitely gonna use this this gravy. Yum.
How's the burger? Good.
That's legit.
When you have food, do you start with one thing? Do you eat your hamburger first, then eat all your fries? Or do you take a bite of your burger, go to some fries, take a drink, go back to the burger?
I'm number 1.
Okay, guess what Paul is?
I tend to eat all my fries first, and then go to the good stuff.
What about you? You think you can only go back and forth?
No, I go.
Yeah. That's like
It actually depends where I'm at. Because if it's like Red Robin,
You want some?
then I'll go fries first.
Yeah.
No, if it's Red Robin, I go my burger first and then fries.
Let me see here. Here's some ketchups. I like that their bags are kind of smaller. Like it would only hold your meal, and so we had like 4 different bags. But I like that. Wonder if we can recycle those. Oh, it says it's biodegradable, so I bet I can put it in the recycle.
Sweet and savory.
Does it have a sweet? Oh, you can taste the pineapple really good then, huh?
Pineapple just bomb delicious.
Oh, and you know what? We have some, for dessert, we got a couple of those peach mango pies. Let's go.
Yeah, the burgers are good.
I'm gonna go get some napkins.
Yeah, this is really good.
Comment below if you've ever had JOLLIBEE. It's good. Yeah, the first time we had it, the only other time we had it was when Danny and Tina brought it over and had us try it. It was really good.
Yeah, the pineapple juice.
Yeah, you hit it.
I was like, I gotta keep it in there. And then they found out.
I really wanted to get the pork, but they only sell it like in the morning.
Oh yes, the tocinos, I think it's called tocino.
I want that too.
Me too, actually. So we're gonna have to make another trip, maybe go for breakfast or something.
I actually told my mom that I was gonna go between the Aloha burger and the pork.
Why do they do it only in the morning?
I don't know.
Because if anybody knows that answer, let us know.
Doesn't it come with like egg?
I think you're right. Do you want a little bit of spaghetti?
No.
Believe it or not, they can cook egg in the afternoon.
I know. That's what I'm like. Huh.
These burgers are like legit.
Mm.
I got two pineapple. One on your burger.
That's so
and
good.
a chip.
What are you guys having for dinner tonight? Let us know in the comments. Is it JOLLIBEES?
Or now it is JOLLIBEES.
JOLLIBEE.
I only heard about JOLLIBEES from the Phillips.
Yeah.
I see a lot of building plans. And I saw that there's a bunch of stuff being bid out right now for new Jollibee coming.
Here in Vegas? Wow. Let us know if you guys have JOLLIBEES near you. I didn't even know about this, but it's good.
Yeah.
Want me to cut those up, or that's good?
Cut.
Go get a knife. You're done. This is really good. Those potatoes are red skinned potatoes. I like red skinned potatoes. In fact, somebody commented on one of my hauls because I said that I had the box potatoes and I thought it would be good to have. And is it okay if I use this fork?
No.
Okay, go get yourself a fork then. And they said that they have the dehydrated ones with the red skins. Should look for those. He's got a knife. He's ready. Now you could just pick these up with your fingers, you know, and dip.
Oh, they're chicken dippers.
Yeah.
So chicken.
Okay, you start with that one, okay?
I go fried first.
Fries first.
What's on another I go second?
This is actually a lot of food. I think we spent about $40-ish, 42.
I want to try some of Ezra's chicken.
Yeah, that's bomb.
He never eats all of his food, so. And then we have Kobe coming home after he gets off work. And so we'll have, I'm sure, plenty of food for him.
That's bomb.
I'm liking this spaghetti. So, you're going to vacation tomorrow. What are you guys looking forward to the most on vacation?
Swimming.
Swimming?
Swimming and flying, you know.
I'm just looking forward to being around friends.
Yeah, that's the best. So we're planning on having a meal together. And I think if you've been watching, I cooked up a bunch of taco meat, so can't wait to have tacos. That'll be so good. Sometimes when we go out of town, we plan to go like hiking and do all that fun stuff too. But where we're going, it's only like a couple hours away, and the temperature is going to be fairly similar than it is to here. So, you know, it being around the pool is probably the best option. But I don't want to go hiking in like 115 degree.
No.
115, you guys, it's supposed to be this weekend.
And plus, you're gonna sweat.
Oh yeah. You know, a couple years ago we did a hike. Was it a couple years ago?
No, it was last year.
Last year.
Was that last year?
You talking about the 8-mile one?
Yeah, it was 8 miles. Was that round trip?
Right, 8 round trip, yes.
On the sign it said 5 miles round trip. They lied.
Well, it was like 4.5, but
And Ezra walked the whole way, and we all had water bottles in our backpacks, and it wasn't enough. It was crazy.
In fact, the Phillips ran out of water and had to, towards the end there, they kind of hurried back as fast as they could so they can get some more water for the kids.
And Ezra walked the whole way. What a champ.
Yeah, I'm not the champion.
As soon as we got back to the hotel, everybody just jumped in the pool. It felt so good.
I know.
Until I got really cold and we went to the hot tub.
And we ordered dinner in. And well, you guys went to pick it up, but it was the best.
Hey, Mom, could you pass me the spaghetti?
You bet.
I'll just put some in my.
Okay.
Can I get more ketchup?
Uh-huh.
I'm just running out.
Paul must have been hungry.
The burgers aren't very big, but they're good.
Yeah, and a double patty too.
Yeah.
Oh, can you help him?
Yeah.
We'll save some of the rest for your brother.
I'll grab it for
Me?
No, your other brother. We have a lot of brothers.
whatever.
You want me to make dessert?
Yes. Well, I'm just gonna eat this, but if you guys wanna.
I was gonna cut them in half, put a scoop of ice cream on them.
What a great idea!
I'm a genius. Do you want me to do it on both or just?
Actually, I just want mine without. Do you want ice cream on yours with your pie? So just will you leave me half and then
Yeah, I want ice cream on mine.
I'll take care of the rest. That's a really good idea. Heating them up a little bit, putting a little, making it a la mode. That's awesome. You know how we went to Arizona to buy a bunch of ice cream. We still have some. It's like a month later.
A month later, we still have more.
We still do.
I like their chicken.
You should just, you want to try their fried chicken? It's really good.
Can I have that piece right there?
Mm-hmm.
I wonder if Kobe will want chicken, a fried chicken.
Our chicken is really good.
It is good. What has been your favorite part of this meal? I know dessert will be, but I'm just saying before dessert.
The burger.
The burger.
I think it will be the pineapple juice and the fries.
Pineapple
And
juice.
not just all of it.
You like it all? Do you think we should go back again?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
But earlier.
Yes, we'll definitely have to try it in the morning for sure for breakfast. So here it is the night before we're about to leave. And of course we're like, I'm doing everything. I'm cutting things down, putting things in freezer bags so they don't go bad. Like so we had some broccoli in the fridge and some bell peppers, so I just want to keep them, and when we come back I can still cook with them. Do you guys do that? Just chop down your vegetables and put them in the freezer. Plus I want to kind of have a little more things straightened up, so we'll see if I can get to it. So there's a lot to do. So you guys like this pineapple juice, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Awesome, thank you. So it says it's peach mango pie. And I love those flavors. Are you guys a fruit pie people? Let me know. And I don't think that's one thing I make on the channel very often are fruit pies.
I don't know.
I don't know if I have at all. Actually, my favorite pie is chocolate pecan. Man, that's my favorite.
I like fruit pies.
This? Dang good.
I can really taste that.
Do you think you could taste the mango or the peach more? Because it's a peach mango pie.
Maybe the peach.
I think I taste the peach more.
I do too.
Mm-hmm.
Oh yeah.
That is very good.
It's a good filling.
The ice cream is so good.
What did the lady say to us after we ordered?
Have a jolly day.
She said, "Have a jolly day." Funny. Perfect.
It's so good.
He really likes it. Well, if I was going to point out something I didn't care for, is they don't have Coke products.
I agree. So I came home and had a root beer instead.
And I got a DDP. So they had Diet Pepsi. Are you guys Pepsi or Coke drinkers? You'll have to let us know.
We're Coke.
Cream soda.
Cream soda. That's good, huh?
Wait, what's cream soda?
I don't know. Under Coke products, right?
A&W is not Coke. A&W is like RC Cola or something crazy like that.
Well, you can't always find cream soda on the tap anyway, so.
Dr. Pepper. It's Coke.
Dr. Pepper 7-Up.
And 7-Up is?
It's part of Dr. Pepper 7-Up.
Because I always see, like, when Coke products go on sale, usually 7-Up and DDP is on there too.
I don't think they're bottled We have a friend who works for Coke. We'll have to ask him. I don't think they're bottled though with Coke. I think they just like are distributed by Coke.
What I've been noticing in like the past years, like 5 years, that apple pies have gotten big. Like apple or like fruit pies have gotten big in fast food restaurants.
Oh,
Like
interesting.
Like McDonald's.
McDonald's always had it.
They have
I know,
always had it.
but like Popeyes even.
Okay. Okay, so one thing that I like at McDonald's, they don't have them all year long, but it's their strawberry cream pie or cream cheese strawberry pie. So good. Oh man, that's my favorite. But I don't get it very often, and like I said, it's seasonal. So this is fun. We'll have to try something else. What else should we do for another mukbang? If you have any suggestions, let us know. I was already looking at where we're going, and I have been following them on Instagram, just their city. And so I've been looking at some pictures of different places that are open there. And that's how I plan a lot of our vacations. But we're gonna be in a group, so it's kind of a group effort with this. But normally when we go out of town, I always plan our vacation like destinations like around food. So if we're gonna go to the beach, then we'll go to this place to have sandwiches, or I just know where to go in California for things that are just yummy. But
Like fantastic burgers.
I crave fantastic burgers. Just because I grew up eating there. So, but we're going to somewhere in Utah, and I try to avoid going to chain places that we could get here. So I'm trying to look for places, right, to go try something new. So we'll see what we do. I mean, I'm excited. I can't wait. I'm going to do a vlog while we're out there. So don't say what we're doing.
I don't remember what we're doing.
But we were told to wear pants. There's a hint. That's gonna be exciting. We all done? Okay, so do we all agree that we should go for breakfast?
Yes.
Yeah, that'll be good to try the tocino. I really liked it when Phillips brought that over. That we had a little snack in that, a little taste test. And then, so we just taste tested kind of some of the favorites. With the Aloha burger, and then just like the chicken dippers, and then I had a 2-piece, and then of course we had to get the yummy pies they have there, and their yummy, and their spaghetti for sure. So I'm pretty sure that whatever we have left, Kobe will be happy to devour. So thanks so much for stopping by the channel. Give it a thumbs up, and let us know if you want us to do some more mukbangs, because it's so fun. We can eat and share an evening with you guys. So have a wonderful day, rollers, and stick around. You just never know what I'll be rolling out next. Bye, everyone.
Bye.